and I am Surat Singh Malhotra, the founder president. There are three types of awards. The basic award is the competitive award, which is for the industry. The people who are doing the work and feeling they have done something good, that is their achievement, and we are going to recognize them. They will be called the Pearls of Hyderabad. The Pearls, as the city goes, the city of pearls, Hyderabad is known for that only. That's why we are producing more and more pearls every year. Then another category is the Jade. Jade category is for the people who have done something good for the industry in the yesteryears, and nobody has recognized them because for some reason or the other they are not organized. We have tried to organize them under this also. They have been organized earlier, but there was no such recognition platform. So we are ready to honor them. While we are honoring them, we are honoring ourselves, because it's not a recognition of them, it is a recognition of us. They are part of us. They may feel little shy also coming out. Why so and will though? Because they have never enjoyed it. We want to make sure that they must enjoy what they have given to the society. And while giving the society, they have come a long way. There are people who are doing the service for the people more than 60, 70 years. Even the word Shamiana, if I mention, it comes from the 1000 years back. Without that, no function happens. I say in Hindi, everybody, that hum sab sukh dukh ke saathi hain. Everywhere we are needed. Now when we are calling, this word has been coined, the event manager and all these things, all these services were given earlier since the day of the mankind. I'll say wherever they are staying, the tents were used. But now the segment has grown in such a way that specialization has come in this line also. Somebody is doing weddings only and they are calling the wedding planner. Somebody is doing the event management and the event management is having many things. Somebody is doing the generator service only and then we call them the facilitator. The word has been coined facilitator for the benefit of that everybody who is not having any recognition can be recognized in this section. Like the florist, they don't have any other association, so they all come into the facilitation. Then if you talk about the light and sound, like you are holding the mic, without sound today no function is thought of and no function is possible. They are not recognized. Sometimes the only event manager is recognized. Venue, they are maintaining such a beautiful venue somewhere and nobody is recognizing them. So all these categories, what we are doing, we are trying to bring something into them and saying, boss, you have done enough. Now let us honor you. And while we are honoring you, we are honoring ourselves. We are enriching ourselves with your services, what you have done. And we want you to go on and do much better for the future also. Because this is a legacy we are going to hand over to our generations. I'll tell you the biggest problem in this industry was many people, their children are not coming into this line. They are shifting the line because they don't feel there's nothing in this line. But now they know they are being recognized. They are taking it as a profession. Event management is a profession now. Tent house is having a specialization. Some people, if you remember, and I remember, I know this white tent has been brought by me to Hyderabad. We were having the colorful tents earlier. Now we are having different lines. There was no waterproofing. We were doing with leaves and all those things. We were doing it earlier and tarpaulins were used. Now we are having superstructures, aluminium hangers. Like that, there are many things. You will feel sometime how this is. That's why the 55 categories have come forward to claim the award. And for that also there is a competition, and competition has gone up to at least every entry is having minimum 2 entries. Somewhere it is 5, 7 entries are also there. Then we are having the Lifetime Achievement Award. The people who have done everything and they don't think that anything is for them. For them, we have thought that let them have a lifetime achievement award so that they can say, yes, at least somebody has remembered me, what I have done all these years. The many peoples, they'll sit, they'll talk, they'll not come forward. So we are just tickling them, please come forward, come out. And giving every year 1 or 2 life achievement awards will at least, I can say, another 50 years is secured. We have 100 peoples who will come. Like this time we are giving posthumously catering award to Mr. V.V. Arora. He was a partner with me at some time. He is no more. He was Manikant Bhai, he was given last year, he is also no more. Their services are unmeasured. We can say they have done a lot for the industry, and in their lifetime they might not have been awarded or recognized. We are trying a little bit to recognize them and see at least they must deserve some position in the society. When somebody says, many people say out of the pocket or somewhere else in private, but officially they are not recognized. This is a platform where we are trying to fill in that gap. That is what is the main purpose of recognizing the services, recognizing the industries, recognize the veterans, and simultaneously enriching ourselves. The association is benefited for many ways. It is for the people, but association is with the people, for the people, and for the generations to come. The purpose is the people should not run away from the business what their fathers and forefathers have started. They should bring the change and develop the same business and be honored and be happy that they are somewhere, which is also a good profession, a profession to reckon for. Thank you very much.